All right, so let's see for real. How long can it take to make a program? We'll make a game with ChatGPT. Make a simple Pac-Man game with JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Let's see what you got. Sure, here's a simple Pac-Man game. What? Well, that's kind of scary. Well, we're setting up our canvas get context, which is good. We're setting up important variables, positions of Pac-Man, the score. But let's add dots to the code to make it more interesting. Okay, wow. Well, okay, I'm impressed, But does this actually work? Copy the code and then paste the code. Take a look at that. We got a Pac-Man over here. And he's moving. Now, I think there's an issue with the canvas. If I were to switch this fill style to blue, and let's switch the dots just so we can see them for now to green. Holy cow. Do I need to find a new job? So it's like Google or Stack Overflow plus really smart AI that can give you unbiased results. That's what's interesting about the model prediction. But what about if you wanted to get a job and you wanted to work in a much larger project? Well, if you check the description, you're going to see that I created a full application, MERN, step-by-step with GPT, of a Game Connect 4 that includes a database that we hook up from scratch, and we go through hundreds of lines of codes of debugging with ChatGPT. So if you're interested in how you would use ChatGPT on a professional level, check the description, check the likes. ChatGPT hopes you enjoyed this. Okay, bye-bye.